This is the Weather Extreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, the 6th of November. I'm James Spann. Had some rain overnight. Showers are exiting the state. The sky becomes sunny today, but the big story is about a week away. Some really cold air gets in here toward the end of next week. There's the water vapor satellite view this morning. We have troughing developing over the eastern U.S. again, pushing a cold front through here this morning. That was the radar at 5:02. A little narrow band of showers in advance of the front, just south of Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Gadsden. And a good chance by the time you watch this video, those showers will be long gone as dry air begins to move back in. Now, we're starting off the day mostly in the low 60s, and we'll kind of stay in the 60s all day today. The high should be in the upper 60s in most spots today. We notice it's colder back in Memphis. They're at 53. And around the nation, there is colder air over the Great Plains and the Rockies, and we'll feel a bit of that tomorrow. Highs tomorrow go back in the 50s, and we'll drop in the 30s more than likely early tomorrow morning to start the day. In terms of the convective outlook today, don't forget now we have the new categories. We have a marginal severe weather risk around Chesapeake Bay. That is below the slight risk. We've got marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, and high. But other than that, no storm worries and really no rain worries. This is the QPF valid through Tuesday morning of next week. That little sliver of green here, that's for that weakening band of showers this morning. After today, we'll be dry for a while. So let's dig in there and talk about this deal next week. This is where we are today at noon off the GFS, the 06Z run. And, of course, this is where the pressure is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. Eastern U.S. trough, upper low lingering over Mexico. Surface front pushing through South Alabama, a little band of showers down there, but it hardly rains at all. And for us, the sky becomes sunny today, and again, we should reach the upper 60s. Some spots may be touching 70. Tomorrow, thickness values are coming down, however, and that will push highs back into the 50s. Both the NAM and the GFS are printing a high of 56 tomorrow, and we start the day down in the 30s. So tomorrow will be noticeably cooler, but the sky will be brilliantly sunny. Great weather for high school football games. The playoff games tomorrow night, clear and cold with temperatures dropping through the 40s. Good football weather. Saturday looks good all across the Deep South. Good college football weather. Again, we start the day in the 30s. The high Saturday should be in the low to mid 60s. Just a great day. And Sunday, same deal. Chilly morning, high around 60, brilliantly sunny. That disturbance you see down there in the Gulf, that stays way south of us. Monday of next week, same thing. The sky will be sunny. Thickness values coming up. We'll expect a high well up in the 60s, maybe pushing 70 by Monday. And Tuesday, you can see what's happening north and west of the state. That is a 1,048 millibar high just north of Montana. Very cold air. And the cold front is approaching Tuesday, and that could push a little band of showers in here Tuesday night. And this is Wednesday. The front is in here with a chance of showers. Nothing heavy like the deal we saw early this morning and some really, really cold air just north of us. I mean, that looks like the dead of winter based on those thickness values around the Great Lakes. And this is a week from today, and there's no really sharp trough over the east. So the cold air, it's going to seep in here and not rush in here. And by Thursday of next week, we'll see highs dropping in the low to mid 50s and lows dropping down toward freezing. But you go out there toward the following weekend, and yeah, it just keeps on seeping south. This is Saturday, November 15th. The 540 line is all the way down to Clanton. The 534 line is almost down to Huntsville. And again, here's a look at the anomalies. This is centered on Sunday morning, November 16th. So by the time we get to that weekend, November 15th and 16th, this could very well push highs down into the 40s and lows down into the 20s. So just be aware of that. This, by the way, is the end of the forecast on the 21st. We're warmer and dry. As goodness, we're getting close to Thanksgiving. Where is this year gone? Again, we'll check the teleconnections, the Arctic oscillation. You can see the negative spike. The NAO is negative, not strongly negative, but again, that would hint that the colder air will push down into the eastern U.S. at mid-month, which is what the models are suggesting. Temperatures coming off the ensembles, they're starting to catch on to the idea and this is for Birmingham. You can see the highs are dropping in the 40s around November 14th and 15th with lows around freezing. But again, I expect those lows to come down in the 20s as we get closer to that shot of very cold air. Very cold for this early in the season. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.